What's up, what's up, what's up? Positive vibes, positive vibes, positive vibes only. This is Big Therm 67 coming back to you with another video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, and share and like. I am outside my apartment complex. I wanted to give y'all a little update, something a little different. Little update on my Durango, the Bluebird. Shout out to Alexa Crossing here in Richardson. Love my apartment, man, for real. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all about the Bluebird. As y'all know, I like to make my videos in the car with the music playing, so we're not gonna have no music playing today. We're gonna take a little walk and do this vlog. And as far as an update, here we go. I haven't made a video in a while, so because the car has been down. So I haven't really been too interested in making a vlog. But that shouldn't deter me. And then trying to figure things out and everything. So anyway, with that being said, the reason that she's down is the transmission went out on me. That was last week. I think on my last vlog I told y'all about that. And I haven't had her for a week. She's still in the shop. So that being said, found out what was wrong with it. She wouldn't go into gear. Actually, she didn't have any gears. So they called me and told me that my cable, my transmission cable broke. So my transmission cable broke, and then when we have an all-wheel drive, my all-wheel drive button broke too. So we had to fix that too. Now the cost wasn't as near as I thought it was going to be. But also with that being said, he doesn't know until he goes into it if the hell, what did he say? He doesn't know if the shaft, the transmission shaft, was bad on the inside. So I had to take it apart and see what was up with it. So if it's just the first two items that's bad, which is the cable and the button, then, you know, a couple $100 and we back on the road. Cool. But if it's the drive shaft and he has to order a new one, that could be $400 and some change, up to $1,500 and some change. Now, I ain't got that. Plus, you know what happened to me a couple weeks ago with the front end. You know, I'm still not finished paying for that. So, with that being said, that's going to be an added cost. which fine. Okay, well, I gotta have a ride, right? So I told him, I said, no matter what happens, man, I gotta have that car fixed. So go and do what you do. Now, I'm having all my work done at the dealership that I bought the car from. So what they're gonna do is just add it onto my car note. I don't have to come out of pocket for a lump sum. It doesn't have to be paid all up front. I just have to pay a deposit. And which I did the first time. I got to pay another deposit for this item. And he's not going to start charging me until I get the first item paid off. Can't beat that. Can't beat it with a stick. So if I went to somebody else besides my dealership, let's say I went to my mechanic that I usually go to, he said he could do the work. And more than likely it's going to be a lot more, and I have to come out of pocket, with all the cash. So at least this way, this is a blessing. See, you got to stay positive, man. Even though things go bad for you, you still have to stay positive, because positive things can come of your situation. Even though I still have to pay for it, I don't have to come out of pocket with everything. You know what I'm saying? So I am truly blessed and thankful for that. Now, the flip side of that is I live a half hour away from my job, which don't sound like much. It's 27 miles door to door. But where I live at, it's close to the rail line. I don't know if you guys can see that in the background, but see how those lights are back there in the background? Okay, there's a train that goes through there, and it goes through downtown. Now, I live on the south side of downtown. Well, I work on the south side of downtown. So I get off. I get on the train down here, which is about a block away. Then I can go down to, actually it takes me to the VA, which is great, because if I didn't want to drive, it was too much traffic or whatever, and I had a doctor's appointment, and I was home, I jump on the train. It runs 24 hours a day. It only costs me $3 there and back. So it takes about an hour to get down there. I'll take that back. About 40 minutes. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. Then I have to take a Uber or a Lyft from the VA stop to my job, because there's no rail system that goes out that far. And it's about 10-15 minutes from there. If that. I don't even think it's that far. I say 10 minutes at the most. So I have to call Lyft. That's freaking 12. We went from 12 to 14 bucks one way. So, that being said, I was doing that. Now you can see, hold on. Show y'all this real quick. I don't know if y'all can see the flashing lights down there. But the train is coming. Yes, sir. So, yeah, I think you can see it. I can see them flashing in the camera. Anyway, and I'm at the far end of my complex, so I don't live on this end. I live on the other end, which is closer. Anyway, as I was saying, I take that down to the VA, catch a Lyft or Uber from there. 15 bucks, we'll say. We'll run it up to 15. When I get out of work, $15 to get back to the VA stop. Ride the train home. Now, last week, Wednesday, I would say, the rail system went down. So you could only go part way, not even halfway, because I'd say a quarter of the way they make you get off, then you need to take a shuttle bus downtown. And then from downtown, Union Station, I could take that part of the train and finish my route out. Now, in order, I'm not riding no bus. City bus, I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it. Because for one, I don't like riding buses. Two, it takes too long for that shuttle to get down there. Just for the shuttle to get from where the stop is, where they make you get off, down to Union Station, which is downtown. Normally, riding a train, it would take you from that stop, I would say, 10, 15 minutes. That bus, shuttling down there, takes you a half hour, 40 minutes. Now the whole ride from my apartment complex to my last stop, it's 40 minutes. So I'm riding from my apartment complex to the stop, which takes 15 minutes. Then I gotta wait on the shuttle bus, which is 15 minutes. Then the shuttle bus to downtown, 30 to 40 minutes. Then another 15, 20 minutes to get to my last stop. What? What'd you say? No, so I just called a Lyft, and it took me the rest of the way, which was $20. So, from my job back here to where I live, it's $30 fucking dollars. Now, that's $60 a day, back and forth to work. So 60 times 5 is what, people? I ain't got time for that. I'm not balling out like that. I'll be honest, I'm not balling like that. So, okay, most people say, well, just rent you a vehicle. That's $50 a day, plus gas. Which, gas will probably depend on what you're driving, what you're renting. It's gonna cost you $30. So, 50 times 5 is what? Plus gas. At the end of the week. No. So I had to call off one day and then just Uber, a couple days. Now, today's Sunday. I still don't have my Bluebird. Guess what? Yep. I got to Uber to work. Because the train system is going to be down until next week. So guess what? If my car ain't done Monday, guess what? Lord have mercy. Now, I'm not tripping. I'm staying positive about the situation. I ain't got no choice but to stay positive. Because it is what it is. These are the things that happen in life. These are the things that pop up in life that you have no control over. It's a vehicle. It's going to break down on you. Flats, transmission, what else you got? Alternator, battery. And these things cost money. Now, I'm a single dude. Well, not exactly single. Well, what I'm saying is, my girl lives in San Antonio. She's 4 hours away from me. So, if I want to go see her, guess what? I gotta drive. If she wants to come see me, guess what? Guess motherfucking what? Now, she could take the train or she could take the bus. Or I could take the train or I could take the bus down there. It's a lot cheaper. But then you think, shit, when I get down there, I got to Uber everywhere. But I mean, what my point is, people, life just is what it is. There's nothing you can, I didn't. The car was running great. You can't predict when things gonna go out on your car, when you gonna get a flat tire. You can do preventative maintenance and all you want, which you're supposed to be doing anyway. But things happen. Shit, I'm getting cold. Sniffles and shit. Things happen. And you move on from it. So, stay positive, people. I am. Even though I have had my days this last week where I'm like, you know, but I get up and do what I gotta do. It is what it is. I gotta eat. I still gotta go to work. You know? And my boss is cool. Dude I work with is cool. Because it's just two of us. So he has to work my shift and his shift. So he's working doubles. Then I have to turn him around and work doubles for him if I can't make it in. So, like I said, man, stay positive. Stay positive, because this actually could cost me a whole lot more if it wasn't for my dealership and the service department. You know what I'm saying? Try to stay in good standing with them. You know, because if you don't stay in good standing, how they gonna trust you to pay to get your car fixed if you ain't paying your note? You feel what I'm saying? Good follow good, man. You just gotta stay positive, keep up on your shit as best as you can, and explain your situation. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, people, I'm out. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And we out. Peace.